I started drawing when I was about 3 years old. I started drawing First Nations design when I was about 12 to 13 years old. I learned watching my uncles, so I knew what it was supposed to look like, but I took this up in high school as well. Hello, my name is Ungwa-Kasu. My English name is Chris Wilson. I come from the Haisla and Hanaksiela nations. I am a control room attendant here at the Vancouver Art Gallery. I've been here since 2009. It is my pleasure to invite everybody to the Indigenous drawing class, as well as the necklace and storytelling session by Lisa Lewis here at the Vancouver Art Gallery, which is situated on the unceded traditional territories of the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh nations. National Indigenous Peoples Day to me means a chance for everybody to learn the history of Canada and exactly what Canada has done to First Nations people. But it's also a time for us to celebrate First Nations culture, as we have not gone anywhere and we've survived a heck of a lot.